Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Alright, hello to you guys, your girl Euniycemari here. So today we are going to be doing a DIY ingrown hair serum. I haven't done a DIY video in so long, and I really want to get back into doing them because I really do enjoy showing you guys how I come up with my own little recipes. Before I start, I want to say that doing research is key. I do a lot of research on essential oils and oils before I even, sit down and make any type of DIY or any type of skincare recipe, just to know what works and what you should be putting together to get the most out of what you're looking for. So today we're going to do an ingrown hair serum. We're going to start off with what you need. First, you're going to need something to put the ingrown hair serum in. You can either use a little drop bottle like this. It's just like a serum bottle. I got this off of Etsy. I will leave a link down below to where I got this from. Was it Etsy? I believe it was Etsy, if not Amazon. But I'll put links down below. But it looks like this. It's just a little dropper bottle. And I already have some serum on the inside, if you guys can see. A little bit left. Or if you don't have a bottle like this, you can use a regular little jar, and you can just kind of dip your hand in it. But I wouldn't suggest dipping your hand in it because that can contaminate. So I think cleaner way is to use a dropper like this. So you're going to need a base. So I'm going to be using jojoba oil as a main base oil. Jojoba oil soothes the skin. It unclogs hair follicles. It helps to heal the skin, reduces inflammation, is antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and is very moisturizing. Okay, so when it comes to ingrown hair, you want to make sure that you're using you want to find something that helps with inflammation. Okay, so jojoba oil has all those great properties, so that's going to be our base oil that I'm going to be using. The next thing that we're going to be using is vitamin E oil. You guys have seen me talk about vitamin E oil. I have actually a video talking about it. I will link it below. But this is what vitamin E oil looks like. I have mine in the capsules. Of course, you can also get it in liquid form, but vitamin E also is something that is anti-inflammatory. It helps to heal the skin. Very heavy oil, moisturizing oil, so vitamin E is really good. Next thing that we're going to talk about, of course, is tea tree. And I think this is the how can I say this, main ingredient. Okay, this is going to make your serum pop. Tea tree oil is a natural it's a natural antibacterial, it's a natural antiseptic, and an anti-inflammatory. It opens pores and it reduces inflammation. And with ingrown hairs, you have a lot of inflammation, and you just want to make sure that you are reducing that and healing that. So this is a great agent for healing that ingrown hair and healing the skin. Okay, and just keeping it clean so that you don't get infections, because as you guys know, if you don't know, you can get a nasty infection from ingrown hairs that you may have to go to the doctor for. Okay, and we don't want that. The last thing we're going to talk about is lavender oil. Now, lavender oil, you guys know, once again, it's very soothing for the skin. It helps to speed the healing process, and it also is anti-inflammatory, and it's very calming. Okay, now for all of these products here, I just want to say, if you guys have not yet figured it out, these are all healing, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, moisturizing. These all have the same properties for the skin. And whenever it comes to ingrown hair, you want to make sure that you are using something that is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiseptic, and something that's going to heal that skin. Okay, and so with all these ingredients combined together, it's kind of like a powerhouse. All right, so just a little fact there, so that you guys know, and you guys can kind of pick up on how I do my research, and I just figured you get everything that's anti-inflammatory. So let's start with our base. Now, y'all, I don't have any measurements except for the drops of the essential oil. I'm going to put down the size of this jar below in the description box. So I'm going to take my jojoba oil, and I'm going to take off the little cap part. I'm going to fill it all the way up to about here. So now that I have my jojoba oil in here, I'm next going to go in and put in 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Okay, so I'm just going to break this, and I'm going to pour it into here. One thing about the capsules though that I don't like too much, and I think from this point on I'm going to get more of a liquid form, because I feel like you waste a lot of the vitamin E inside of the capsule because you can't push it all out. You know what I mean? So I just don't like that fact about the capsules. So then next I'm going to put in 1 drop of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is really potent, so you don't need a lot, okay? And this is a small jar, so I'm going to put 1 drop. You got to be really careful too. You got to watch it. Where is you? Come on. 1 drop. That's it. 1 drop of tea tree in there. And then I'm going to put 1 drop of lavender oil in there, okay? And the tea tree is strong. You can smell it. Even at 1 drop, you can smell it so much. So 1 drop of lavender. Come on. Perfect. Okay. So then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my syringe and put it back in here. And I'm just going to give it a good shake. And then I'm going to show you guys what the consistency of it looks like. So this is what it looks like. So you apply it, especially if you have bikini area and you get a lot of ingrowns in your bikini area, you'll apply it and then you will just rub it into the skin. And you can smell that tea tree oil, but the oil is very light. If you guys can see, it's nothing heavy. It's very light on the skin and it's going to just rub right in. You see, it's nothing heavy or anything like that. So you can put it right in your bikini area, on your underarms, wherever you have a problem with ingrown hairs, okay? And I would say you can use this probably once out the day, or you can use it once out the week, twice out the week. It just depends on how often you get ingrowns and you know what your skin likes, because when it comes to ingrowns and skincare, you kind of got to find out what you like. But this is good to use for every day. The only thing is, I feel if you're really sensitive to tea tree, you might want to use it probably every other day, but it is light enough, if you, as you guys can see, to use every day. So yeah, that's my quick little DIY for ingrown hair. That's my quick little DIY for ingrown hair serum. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions about this, leave your questions down below. Make sure to thumbs me up and share this video with a friend who may also have problems with ingrown hairs and want a quick, easy solution. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.